Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. As you can see in front of me here, a brand new 2025 Jetour. I don't even know which of the Jetour is. I'm gonna go to the back of it. However, I am not reviewing this car because I'm not a reviewer, but I got this car to do some tinting on it. I started tinting it and something say, you know what, it's content. You know, it's a car channel, it's a vehicle channel, so whatever work I do to cars, I usually vlog it. So I decided to just throw it up in the video today. But aside from that, guys, this is a Jetour. I'm gonna see what kind of Jetour is this. I got it to tint. Okay, so this Jetour is called X7 Plus. Tell you guys is that this Jetour, wow, it is really luxurious. It is nice, it feels good, and I can tell you, in my opinion, I think the Chinese, they are way ahead of I will go through in detail a little stuff about the car, but I'm gonna finish my tinting, and then I probably can show you in the interior and stuff like that. But this car, guys, is really nice. I mean, has some 19-inch rim, 235, 55, 19. Wow, yeah, man, guys, this SUV here is very nice, very nice SUV. But as I said, I'm gonna continue with my tinting. When I finish, then I'll just show you guys what's happening here. But just to show you things that I do on this channel. Yeah. This van comes with some factory tint on it. However, the owner says that it's too clear. You understand? So, you know, Jamaicans, we like to have a little privacy in our car. So they decide to throw on a little bit more darkness on it. This is not the darkest. This is like 10%. So, you know, it's next to 5%, which is 5%, as you know, is the darkest section in the tint. Yes, guys, so I finished tinting this brand new 2025 Jetour. The client wanted to be a little more private, so now, yeah, it's not too dark. It's a 10% in it, but black and black, man, black and black. It looks really good. Yeah, I must say I'm digging these Chinese vehicles, you know. They know what they're doing, you know. They know what they're doing. No soft touch, no soft close. No. Yeah, it's a solid lock though. Alright guys, let's just show you a little bit on the interior here. Very smooth and nice. There you have it, guys, the Jetour X70 Plus, just tinted.